All right, so our neutral is now complete. We've got it going to our light. We've got it going towards our duplex electrical outlet. We've indicated that with our dashed line, as we can tell with our wiring diagram symbols. White line, dashed line is our neutral wire. Now we're going to go ahead and deal with our hot wires. When we talk about the hot wire in a circuit, I want you to really emphasize the word control. This is what we want to do, right? Everybody in this great big world of ours, they want to control everything. So our mission here is not to make the light turn on, but we want to make the light turn on when we want to, right? In this circuit, though, since we are just learning, there is no control, right? We just want that receptacle outlet to be always on. We also want that light to be always on. So there actually is no control in this particular circuit. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to make everything on. I'm going to go ahead and bring my template over and bring my hot wire directly to each device in the circuit, okay? So now we think about this circuit, we think about that basic circuit that we've drawn in the past. I go ahead and take my finger, I squash down the power supply. So you can imagine, I know we're dealing with AC theory. So in AC, your circuit is actually doing this. You've got the electrons flowing back and forth, flipping back and forth between positive and negative, nonstop, 60 cycles per second. But to help understand this, if we just say that electricity will start from the hot and work its way through a device and return on the neutral, that's a good way for us to kind of understand how the circuit will work. Keep this in mind. Electricity is flowing through the hot, through the device, back on the neutral, and everything is going to go back to that original transformer up on the pole. And this is the key for you folks to understand and realize. On this ground, okay, this ground, I want you to start to realize that this is our safety. There is no electricity flowing on the ground. We don't want electricity to flow on the ground. But if there is a problem, we want a very, very conductive path for electricity to flow back to ground